Hello, welcome back guys to Filmora channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Filmora names account on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Filmora applications, and now if you want to change your Filmora names, just go ahead to this option, which is mine option at the bottom. After there's this my account, I guess. If you want to change it, just tap on it like this, and now tap on this edit options. And as you can see, this is my name on the Filmora. If you want to change it, you just have to clear first for the first name like this, and now just type your name that you want to change for. Now tap on this done button at the bottom, and as you can see, for my name on the Filmora is already changed, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.